Baby, ready to? What are you doing on the bed?
Making a video.
Oh, we're recording already. In that case, hey guys, welcome to Desi Abroad, where I make videos about living, working, and traveling in Thailand. Today is an awesome day to go out, and we're going to start our relaxing day by having breakfast. So, let's go. Like I said, it's an amazing weather right now. It just stopped raining and we are going to head over to our first place right now. But before we go, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe right now, hit that thumbs up button and also hit that bell icon so that you can get notifications about my videos. And now we move to our first location for the day. Yes. Okay guys, so we are at our first place, which is called Choei Modern Halal Cafe and Bistro. This place was actually recommended to me by one of my students that I teach, and I said this seems like a must-be place. So we're gonna have breakfast over here. Like I said, the name of the place is Choei, and we are going to start ordering our food. So let's see what they have on their menu. I checked a bit of their menu. Their menu looks absolutely amazing. Just look at those amazing dishes that they have. I think I know what I'm gonna order, but I might just be changing my mind because they have so many recommendations. Just look at this amazing menu, and the prices are reasonable as well, but we'll get to know better after I have ordered the food and gotten the bill. So it's time we order some food.
China and fried eggs.
Wow, it looks really good in the picture, and I'm sure it looks really good when the food comes over here as well. Okay, and what about drinks? What are you ordering for drink?
I want to order orange juice.
Okay, so you're just having orange juice. Fresh orange juice? Okay, right. Awesome. Okay, so for myself, I'm going to order smoked salmon cheese cream sandwich. Looks absolutely amazing. I'm definitely going to try this. And of course, my day does not start without a coffee. So I'm going to for sure have one iced Americano as well. On top of that, I found this really amazing thing in the menu. It's not a breakfast thing, but I am definitely going to try this. It's fried chicken with wasabi sauce and French fries. I'm a big fan of wasabi, especially sushi with wasabi. Absolutely amazing. I need to try all these things right now. Feeling really hungry now. Going to order and then have a taste of all this amazing food. They have a small garden area at Choei as well, and it's very cute, like you can see behind me. And if it's a weather like this, it's not that sunny, I'm sure you would like to sit outside, but we still prefer sitting in the aircon for today. Maybe next time. So they also have a co-working space where you can actually just order coffee and use this place for at least like 1 hour. And there are different rates over here that you can use as well. And seems like a pretty good place, not only just to come here and have food, but also you can get some work done as well.
This is my breakfast: Indo-China pan fried egg, mint chicken, 2 eggs, sausage, and sandwich bowl, sandwich bread.
Looks amazing. Yay! So our food is finally here. Look at all this amazing food right here. Absolutely amazing. So this is fried chicken topped with Lay's crisps and with some amazing wasabi sauce right here. And look at this really long, delicious fries right over here. And the second thing is the salmon cream cheese sandwich. Looks absolutely amazing. Just gonna give it a little bit flavor for the lemon, just to make it taste a little more right, like they say. And now I'm gonna try some wasabi sauce chicken first, just to see how strong the wasabi is. And amazing. Loving it. Really, really delicious. Oh my god. Cannot wait to finish all this food up. So now we're just gonna eat, and then we're gonna move over to our next destination for today. But first, we have to eat this awesome food, get some fuel inside our body, and then move over to the next place. Woohoo! Hello, am I? Yay!
You okay?
I am so stuffed. The food was absolutely amazing. It was such big portions and absolutely delicious. This is the first time that it has ever happened to me that I actually had to ask my wife to help me finish my food. I was so full by the time I came to finishing the food. So it costed us a total of 545 baht for everything we ordered. Let me try remembering everything that we ordered. I ordered an Americano, my wife ordered orange juice, and fried Indo-China pan fried eggs, which were absolutely delicious. I tried them as well. I ordered a salmon with cream cheese sandwich, and it was delicious. And of course, fried chicken and fries with wasabi sauce. Loved the wasabi sauce. Such good texture to the chicken it gave, and I fell in love with it, and it was so good. So now we are going to head over to our next destination. It's more of a place where you just get shakes to drink, and we're gonna check that place out before we head somewhere else after that. So let's head there now. Now we are at 97%, a place known for its amazing, delicious cocoa drinks. As soon as we were going to order our drinks, this amazing friendly staff told us about the speciality of every single drink they had. They gave us details about how much bitterness and richness as well as sugar level of each of the drinks, and of course their signature drinks as well. Well, I really wanted to try the signature drink, so that is what I was most interested in getting. Also, after further inquiry, we got to know that to make their amazing, awesome, thick chocolatey drinks, they used Van Houten and Lindt cocoa, and it was absolutely amazing. We really appreciate the information that was given to us by the staff. So I just ordered my 97% nothing but cocoa, and trust me, I've come to this place before. They have the best cocoa I have ever had in my entire life. The first time I actually drank it, I felt like I was in heaven. It was so thick, so creamy, and so chocolatey. Absolutely amazing. And the person who actually recommended this place to me was my landlord, who is a very young lady. And this place is very hidden. Not many people know about this place, but those who do come here quite often. And one more thing, this place is only open on Saturdays and Sundays, so you actually have to wait for the weekends to try and have this awesome, amazing, crazy, creamy, chocolatey drink. We already ordered, we're just waiting for it, and I can't wait to try it again. So I just got my crazy, awesome, thick and chocolatey drink, which is 97% nothing but cocoa, and it looks absolutely amazing. Just look inside this drink. You can see that these ice cubes are actually made of cocoa. These are not ice but cocoa. Just look at this amazing thick texture. Just gonna try it now. It's like being in chocolate heaven. This is so good. Just have another close look. Just look at this. These cubes right here are not ice cubes but cocoa. See, cocoa right over here. Absolutely amazing. Yeah. Wow. %, nothing but awesome cocoa. Highly recommended place if you guys are here in Chiang Mai. So after some break at home and playing some of that game, which I will continue playing later after this, we are heading towards a street food festival which is happening at this mall, which is really close to where we live. It's called Central Festival. It's literally 3 to 5 minutes walk max to that place, and we're going to try out some street food that is available over there and check that place out. Also, there are some chances of raining, so we got ourselves an umbrella just in case there is some rain. So yeah, we're walking towards there and we will be there very soon. So the street food festival that is happening here at Central Festival is called Chiang Mai, and as you can see, there is quite a lot of street food behind me, and we're going to check a couple of them out. Like I said, we're not that hungry because of the breakfast and the chocolate milk we had, but we are going to have our dinner here before we end up our video for today. So they have quite a lot of things going on at Chiang Mai. They have food, fried food, grilled food, burgers, desserts, crab, anything that you like, they pretty much have it. But mostly the kind of food they have is snack food, not proper meals, but still they are fulfilling enough for us, and I think we will not be having anything else once we are done with this place for tonight. Sounds good. Really good street food burger, Korean style burger, absolutely delicious. Wow, really good. After finishing up our delicious Korean style dinner, we were craving some dessert. And while looking, we found this really good coconut ice cream place, which actually served us a lot of coconut ice cream topped with some fresh coconut, almonds, and a cute heart-shaped marshmallow. It looked really well decorated and we couldn't wait to try it out.
I got coconut ice cream.
Wow, those are so many scoops. I think they're like 4 scoops inside.
Very
Oh
big.
wow, it's very big. You're gonna eat it alone.
Let's try.
You're gonna eat it alone, okay?
Oh, okay. No problem.
It's really noisy right now. Well, I should say very entertaining because there is live music playing. People are enjoying their street food and there is a fountain, the noise of the fountain behind me. Guys, I do need to tell you guys one thing. I reached my target of 1,000 subscribers and I am very happy with that, and I need to tell you guys I am so thankful for all of your support. It's been amazing. You guys are amazing. And on that note, those people who have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you guys do what?
Subscribe.
Yes, subscribe to our channel and hit that like button as well, and hit that bell icon as well to get notifications about our videos. And we will see you guys for our other amazing videos all about Thailand later on. So take care and we will see you guys later for our other videos. Bye.